Hi again, boys and girls. Sorry, my previous video ended a little bit unexpectedly, but I left you off with this math problem. I asked you to find the sum of this domino. If you said the sum of this domino is 6, kiss your brain. 2 plus 4 equals 6. Okay, looks like we have that many dominoes left to turn over. We have 2 here on the bottom row. Let's do another one. What is the sum of this domino? If you said 7, kiss your brain again. You are correct, you smart thinker. 5 plus 2 is 7. Again, you're just adding the top plus the bottom. So 5 dots on top that are blue plus 2 dots from the bottom. 5 plus 2 is 7. Let's do one more a little bit faster. What is the sum? If you need more time to think or to count the dots because you're not quite sure or you're not quick enough at quickly looking at the dots and just knowing the number, you can always pause the video. The sum of this domino is 11 because we have 5 plus 6 equals 11. Let's turn over some more. Don't forget, you can always pause if you need additional time to count the dots or to think about the numbers you're adding. Okay. And again, this strategy is just using dominoes to practice addition by adding the dots on the domino. What is the sum of this domino? 4. 2 plus 2 equals 4. Again, what is the sum? 8. 2 plus 6 equals 8. You're getting really good, boys and girls. Let's keep working. What is the sum? Maybe you'll recognize our plus 0 fact. We have 5 dots plus 0. The sum is 5 because 5 plus 0 is 5. What is the sum of this doubles fact domino? The sum of this domino is 12. If you said 12, give yourselves 2 pats on the back. 6 plus 6 is 12. What is the sum of 1 plus 6? The sum of 1 plus 6 on this domino is 7. What is the sum of this one? The sum is 9. 6 plus 3 is 9. What is the sum? The sum of this doubles fact domino is 6 because 3 plus 3 is 6. One more at this row. What is the sum? Oops, sorry. 4. 1 plus 3 is 4. If you want to go back and double check your answers, I love how you go back and double check. You can always turn them like this for extra practice. So let's flip the domino kind of upside down, keeping the dots face up. Instead of 1 plus 3 equals 4, we just say it a different way. Hey, it's a turnaround fact. Now we have 3 plus 1, but your sum is still going to be 4. No matter which way you look at it, 1 plus 3, when you do the 1 first, you get 4. Okay, so here 1's at the top, 3's at the bottom, sum is 4. Turn it around. Now the 3's at the top, the 1's at the bottom, but you still get a sum of 4. So you can even do turnaround facts with your addition dominoes. Oh, we can't turn this one around. What happens when we turn the domino 3 plus 3 around? Turnaround fact doesn't work with a doubles fact because this is a doubles fact domino. If we turn it around, we have the same problem. 3 plus 3 is 6. And again, 3 plus 3 is 6. That's a doubles fact. So it doesn't have a turnaround. But this one does. If you remember, 6 plus 3 is 9. Turn it around. Answer, still 9. 3 plus 6 is 9. I'm going to go through and do the rest. If it's not a doubles fact, I'm going to turn around the other dominoes to see if you remember how to solve them for extra practice. The sum is 5 because 0 plus 5 is 5. Last time it was 5 plus 0 is 5. Okay, we did this one. Let's turn it around. What is the sum? 6 plus 2 is 8. Doubles fact, 2 plus 2, quickly. 4, good. 6 plus 5, the sum is 11. 2 plus 5, 7. Here we did 3 plus 4. Now let's do 4 plus 3. 7. 4 plus 3 more is 7. If you turn it around, do the turnaround, you get 3 plus 4 again. It is 7. Last time we did 2 plus 4. Let's turn it around. What is 4 plus 2? Sum 6. Give yourself a thumbs up. Yeah. Last time we did 4 plus 5. Now let's turn it around and do 5 plus 4. The sum is 9. 5 plus 4 is 9. Turn around. 4 plus 5 is also 9. Last time we had this domino, we did 3 plus 0. Now let's turn it this way. The turnaround would be 0 plus 3. What's the sum? 3. Kiss your brain again. Last time we had 4 plus 6. Let's turn it around and do 6 plus 4. The sum is still 10. 6 plus 4 is 10. And the turnaround fact, 4 plus 6, 10. The rest are all doubles facts. Now, we have one final row of dominoes. This time, I'm going to turn them sideways so we can just look at them a different way. What is the sum of this domino? 1 plus 5. 6. 1 plus 5 is 6. Next one. The sum of this domino is 6. 0 plus 6 is 6. What is the sum? 5, because 1 plus 4 is 5. Doubles fact. What is the sum of the doubles fact domino? Remember to pause if you need more time. The sum of 5 plus 5 is 10. Great, doubles fact. Ooh, what is the sum of this domino? If you said 8, you are correct. 3 plus 5 equals 8. Last one. Sum is 3 because 2 plus 1 is 3. Now we're going to double check and give ourselves a little extra quick practice. Let's turn it around. 1 plus 2. 3. 5 plus 3 is 8. Doubles fact, doesn't matter how we turn it. 5 plus 5 is 10. And the sum this way, same thing, turnaround fact and a doubles fact. 5 plus 5, still the same problem, and the same sum is 10. Let's turn this one around, do the turnaround. 4 plus 1 is 5. And the turnaround from the first time was 1 plus 4, and the sum is still 5. The sum of 6 plus 0 is 6. Good. Here we had 5 plus 1. Let's turn it around. What is 1 plus 5? 6. It's a plus 1 fact. 1 plus 5 is 6. If I do the turnaround, 5 plus 1 is still 6. The number of dots do not change. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So boys and girls, that is how you can use regular old dominoes like I found here at my parents' house to practice your addition facts. You turn them all face down, then one at a time you flip them over, and you can say and practice adding the numbers by counting the dots on each side, if you're doing it this way, or if you're looking at it up and down, counting the dots on the top and the bottom, and putting them together to find the sum, which is the total number of dots. I also showed you how you can use dominoes to actually write math problems that are represented on each domino. Okay, so that's how you can practice addition facts using dominoes. When you're all done practicing adding by adding up the domino dots, you can also sort them. So you can sort them into the types of addition facts we know. For example, we can pick out all the doubles facts and put them together. Like, oh, 3 plus 3, that's a double. 1 plus 1, 4 plus 4, 0 plus 0. Do you see any other doubles? How about this one? 2 plus 2. Go here with our doubles facts. Oh, here's 6 plus 6. That's a doubles fact. Put it down here. Do you see any more? I spy another one. It's blue. 5 plus 5, doubles fact. Let's add it with the others. Okay, so here are all of my doubles fact dominoes. 6 plus 6, 1 plus 1, 2 plus 2, 4 plus 4, 0 plus 0, 3 plus 3, 5 plus 5. Okay, now, if you want to figure out the sums really quick, let's see if you can beat the teacher. 6 plus 6. 12. 1 plus 1. 2. 2 plus 2. 4. How about 4 plus 4? 8. 0 plus 0. 0. 3 plus 3. 6. And last one, 5 plus 5 is 10. If you said the sum before the teacher, congratulations, kiss your brain because you beat the teacher. Let's see if we can sort our other dominoes that are not doubles fact. So here we have doubles fact dominoes. Okay, because the numbers that you're adding are all the same. And again, they have no turnarounds because if you turn them around, numbers are still the same. Still have 6 on one side, 6 on the other. 1 on one side, 1 on the other, no matter which way you turn it. Still the same. Okay, but look at these. These are not doubles facts. Do you know any ways that you can sort these dominoes? Okay, you had some time to think. If you need more time, feel free to pause. I was thinking you could take out all of the +0 facts. Okay, like here is a +0 fact because we have 0 plus 3. The answer would be 3. The sum doesn't change. It's still the number you're adding to 0. So if I'm adding 3 plus 0, my number is going to be 3, or my answer is going to be 3, because 3 plus nothing is still 3. So let's see if we can find any more +0 facts. Do you see any +0 domino facts? Did you find this one before me? If you did, kiss your brain. What is 6 plus 0? 6. Let's do a turnaround. 0 plus 6. Correct. It's still 6. Do you spy any more +0 dominoes? I spy with my eye 5 plus 0. Notice how each of these dominoes has a +0 or a blank side. That's what I mean by +0. You're adding a number by counting number of dots on one side, like 3 here, plus 0 for the blank. 3 plus 0 is 3. Here we have a blank side, which is 0, plus 6 yellows. 0 plus 6 is 6. Here we have 5 dots, 5 blue dots, plus we have a blank side, so that would be your 0. 5 plus 0 is 5. Total number of dots on this domino is still 5. So we sorted our dominoes this time into doubles facts, and these are called the ones with the blank or +0 facts. Do you see any other patterns? If you said +1 facts, you would be correct again. Here's a +1 fact, because we have 1 plus 2, or the turnaround 2 plus 1. How many other +1 facts can you find out of this group here? If you found 4 other dominoes that are +1 facts, I believe you are correct. Let's check. We already found 2 plus 1, and I believe we have 4 more dominoes that are +1s. Here we have 3 plus 1. I spy this one. 6 plus 1. Another +1 fact. Put it down here. Oh, here we have 1 plus 5, or the turnaround. 5 plus 1. And one more. Here's a 1 plus 4. Or, if you turn it around, it'd be 4 plus 1. See if you can pause the video and solve to find the sum of just the +1 dominoes. Hit play when you're ready to check. Okay, if you're back, you are ready to check. 2 plus 1, sum is 3. What's the sum here? 4. Excellent. Sum? 7, because 1 plus 6 is 7. Good. What's the sum here? 6. And the sum here was 5. If you had all of your +1 dominoes correct, kiss your brain again.